Can you say hi, Dada? Dada. Can you stand up for Dada? Can you show Dada how you stand up like a big girl? Dada. There you go. Good job. Oh, back down. Yeah, that's good. Good girl. What you thinking? Oh, new toys to play with. How fun. Good job, Sydney. Good job. No, ma'am, we're not going to climb. So I figured this one out, Mommy. Jeez. Good girl. Good job, Pumpkin. You did great. Yeah. Say bye-bye, Dada. Sydney. Sydney, can you give Mommy a smile? Can you look at the camera at least? Sydney. Sydney. Say bye-bye, Dada.